Welcome back to the AI 102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 7. You are working with an Azure AI Foundry project that connects to multiple Azure resources. You want to retrieve a list of all Azure resource connections by using the Azure AI Foundry SDK for Python, using the least amount of code possible. The question is, which code snippet should you use? Option A. Client.connections.list. Open and close parentheses. Option B. Client.getConnection. Open and close parentheses. Option C. Client.getConnections. Open and close parentheses. Option D. Project.connections. The correct answer is Option A. The Connections interface in the Azure AI Foundry SDK is designed specifically to manage and retrieve project connections. Calling the connections list method returns all configured Azure resource connections in a single call, and it requires the least amount of code. Option B is incorrect because it retrieves only one specific connection and requires an identifier. Option C is incorrect because this method does not exist in the SDK. Option D is incorrect because connections are not accessed directly from the project object. Exam tip for AI-102. If the question asks for all connections, always use the connections list method. Least code, official SDK pattern, correct exam answer. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI 102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.